Love is patient. Love is kind. It does not envy. It does not boast. It is not proud. It is not rude. It is not self-seeking. It is not easily angered. It keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres. Love never fails.
I, Easton, take you, Marykate, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poor, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish.
We only have one little tiny thing of orange juice, so only one person. Cheers!
I, Marykate, take you, Easton, to be my husband, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and cherish for as long as we both shall live.
Easton and Marykate, have you come here to enter into marriage without coercion, freely and wholeheartedly?
I have.
Do you, Easton, take Marykate to be your lawfully wedded wife?
I do.
Do you, Marykate, take Easton to be your lawfully wedded husband?
I do.
Thank you, Lord, for this beautiful day, for the sunshine, and for Mary and Easton. Thank you for all of the family that have traveled, for their patience, for their help. By the power invested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Easton, you may kiss the bride.
Guys, I just wanted to thank everyone for coming. I love you guys. Cheers. Thank you guys. Here's to a happy life. Happy wife. Woo!
Good loving to keep me glowing, glowing, glowing. 'Cause sometimes I can feel like an insomniac. Got dreams up in my head, don't know if they'll come back. Oh, it's been nothing but a nightmare without you near. Oh, oh, oh. I can hardly breathe without you here, my dear. Oh, you're just like
I was actually at the event that Easton and Mary met for the very first time, like over 4 years ago. 5 now. Almost 6 years ago. That's crazy. And they talked the whole night, and Mary and I were driving home, and I said, you know, Mary Berry's got a pretty good ring to it. Because I'd never heard of this Easton Berry from Jackson County. And they're both the hardest working, most loving people I know. If they love something, they love it with their whole heart. And I know you guys are going to do that with each other for the rest of your lives. May it be very long and full of many blessings. To the Berries.
without you here, my dear. Oh, you're just like honey in my tea. You're so sweet. I know that you've got the remedy. Ice cream, hot sand, what I need. You've got that summer healing.
I met Easton my freshman year of college. He just didn't have any friends, I guess. He went into the freshman dorm and saw the first kid, and that happened to be me. And so I had to be friends with him the next 4 years. And it turned out to be some of the best years, and very, very thankful. So I'm very happy for you both.